What's up, you guys? Justin Salter here to teach you a classic song by the late and great, rest in peace, Tom Petty, I Won't Back Down. Amazing song, easy, only 4 chords. So there's 2 ways to play it, but I'm going to give you the way that it sounds like on the record, which starts with the palm mute on the E string, E chord, slash E string. It's on the E chord on the A string. But you can let this low E drone out, and then you have to mute it for the D, and then you hit the G. So it's just a power chord, a 1-5-8. But you can let that E drone out, and then you mute this on the D. So, no, I won't back down. And then the last time it goes to the C, back to the G. So it's E, D, G, and then E, D, C on the last one. And then right before the chorus, it goes. So this part, I think it makes sense to do the open country chords, as we like to call it, where we go. So there's that. So super easy. Let me know if you have any questions, because basically it's just no, I won't back down. No, I won't back down. To the C, D, D, won't back to the G. Now you can also, if you have an electric guitar, it would probably sound great to do the bar chords on that. Hit the C. So it's the C to the G, C. But since we're on the acoustic, I think it sounds better to go. Killer. I don't want to play the whole song because I get copyright strikes, and we don't want that. But an amazing song, love it. Rest in peace, Tom Petty. Leave a comment if you want more in depth. I do private lessons on Zoom, and let me know what you want to learn next. Like I said, it's no, and I actually didn't talk about the country chord version of the verse, which would be E minor to the D, sus, to the G. Which I talked about if you watch my beginner videos, I go through the E minor. I start with E minor. I did the D and A sus, and then to the G. So it's just 4 chords: E minor to the D sus to the G, and then he does the last C. So no, I won't back down. No, I won't back down. To the E, to the D, to the C, to the no, I E, D, G. And then it goes to the C. The first note on the chorus is C. And like I said, you can do the big power chord on the C there, or you can do it here. I feel like since we're on acoustic, it sounds better to go. So let me know if that's too quick or if that's enough, but let me know. Peace and love. Bye-bye. Peace.